Creating a group in MailerLite helps you organize your subscribers and send targeted campaigns. Here's how to do it. Log into your MailerLite account. Visit MailerLite and log into your account. Navigate to Subscribers. In the main dashboard, click on the Subscribers tab in the left sidebar. Create a new group. In the Subscribers section, click the Groups tab. Click on Create a Group button at the top of the page. Name your group. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a descriptive name for your group to easily identify it later. Click Create after naming the group. Add subscribers to the group. After creating the group, you can manually add subscribers by clicking the group name, then clicking Add Subscribers. You can add subscribers individually or import them from a file. Alternatively, subscribers can be automatically assigned to this group when they sign up through forms or landing pages. Use groups for targeted campaigns. Once the group is created, you can segment and send personalized campaigns or automations to that specific group of subscribers.